What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy R with the Raw Aristotle Full Throttle. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays. Right now I'm in Seattle. I'm having a good time. How y'all doing? We like 30 minutes late, but it's all good. We starting at 8:30. So y'all know what time it is. Tell me where y'all from. Everybody tap in. Tell me where y'all from. All right, tell me where y'all from. We gonna get started. So yeah, y'all know what time it is, man. Getting money. What we got in here? We got Brooklyn in the house. Brooklyn in the house, okay. Hold up, y'all. All right, we got LA in the house. We got everybody in the house, okay. Atlanta. Also, if you made money with Honey Drip or Stock Sundays, say yes and tell me how much if you want to. Compton, Houston, everybody in the house. New York in the house. Let's get it. Yeah, we got that. Everything going on, baby. Wichita, Kansas in the house. Savannah in the house. Comment yes if you made money. Tell me how much. Seattle in the house. Baltimore in the house. Charlotte in the house. Jacksonville in the house. Waco, Texas. New York, Seattle. Okay, Seattle in the house. That's where I'm at. I'm in Seattle. How many people we got tuned in right now? We got 1,000 people, 1,100 people. Everybody want to see Stock Sunday. That's what I'm talking about. All right. We got everything in the house. Brooklyn, Houston, Bahamas. Everybody in the house. Tampa, Connecticut, Nevada. It's just going crazy. Uh-oh, we got a lot of yeses. Yes, 500 last week. Yes, sir. 1,200. Yes, 6,500. Everybody getting money. Yes. QQQ, 9K. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. A Pepsi, yes. Let's get it. Florida making 80%. Follow the Honey Drip. Yes. Stock Sundays, y'all know we don't play. Yes. Everybody getting money. Just here to show love. I made 12K with you, Brett and Felony. Thank you all for your trades for life. Bridget Romana, let's get it. Everybody getting money. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. The lives that we can change. So much money being printed. I love it. Yes, 1,200 last week. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Yes, AMD printed Friday. Last 30 minutes, okay. I'm loving it. So I'm seeing everybody who's saying yes. Let's go. I love it. Okay. So y'all know what time it is. As y'all can see, everybody getting money in either Stock Sundays or Honey Drip. And why is that? Because we had the best stock plays, and this is just amazing. We are on episode 52 right now. So if you tapping in, God bless you. Thank you for everybody who watches this. And I ain't gonna waste no more of y'all time. It's Sunday. So we're gonna get into some of the stocks I like. First, we're gonna look at some crypto. We're gonna look at some stocks, everything. All right, so let's get into it, folks. BTC. This is not BTC. This is something else. Let's go to the real BTC. There we go. The US dollar bit stamp, whatever you call that. Let me wipe off my little screen here. But here we go, folks. So we are still in purgatory, waiting to either break this box here. So what we have is what is called a range right here on BTC, Bitcoin. You know, the stock, everybody thinks they're a genius if they predict this. Right now we're in this type of range channel, as we call these channels in the stock world. So yeah, we took advantage of that. Coin was one that I talked about on Stock Sundays, and I was right. What did I say, folks? I said coin is projected to come here to the top, and it broke out here, and it's still kind of, it's taking a little staircase up here, but it should hit. And with that, maybe Bitcoin may you know, it may come down from here. We shall see. So let me go to SPY real quick and let's go see what the market is doing. So we're back at all-time highs. Just when people thought we were coming down, let's look at the 8 EMA. So it did not hit the 8 EMA. Did it hit the 21 EMA? It hit the 21 EMA. That's where it bounced. All right, that yellow line. Let's zoom in. So SPY is in what you call a nice uptrend. A nice uptrend usually stays above the 21 MA and 8 EMA. So you see this, when it's a real strong trend, it's above the green line, 8, and then it kind of stays following the 8 and 21. So this is a strong trend. And like I tell people, always bet on it to go up, follow the trend. Remember I was saying that on Stock Sundays, I was like, hey y'all, the trend is our friend. And as you can see, it never fails us, always. The trend will be your friend. The trend is bullish, so that means the trend is bullish until proven otherwise. It has not proven a bearish sentiment yet in, you know, probably in the last year or so. Yeah, in the last 1 year or so. Yeah, so I'm not. Let's see, look at some other outliers like Tesla. Let's bring out all of these MAs real quick. Let's bring down all of these MAs. Take off the 50, take off the 21. We got a naked chart. So a lot of times I like to make my chart naked first. I like the 200 MA to be up. I like the 200. The 100 is okay too. Some of these big MAs. I'm gonna tell y'all first the stocks that I like. So the stocks that I like would be WBA, Walgreen Boot Alliance. And the reason I like this one is because of a simple chart pattern here, which we have a textbook bull flag here. You can even go on a 4-hour chart and see it. Go ahead and get the people out the way who really want to see. Let me see, 4-hour, oops, 4-hour, 4H, boom. So what was the last bull flag we caught? We caught another bull flag, but I can't remember. It was on Stock Sundays and I caught it. I'm not sure which one it was. We caught so many plays. All right, I got an idea. I can just look at some old stuff I said in the chat. I know I called it before. Bull flag. And who is this? This was 513. So who was this? And I'm pretty sure we hit, this was AMD. Yep, I remember. AMD was the last bull flag we caught. And we banked on that. We banked like a bunch of money on AMD. See, we started banking, printing. I made like 7 racks instantly on AMD off the last bull flag. So off the last bull flag, I made a lot of money, 10K. So the last bull flag that we played, I made 10,000. Yep. So let's go look. So this is a pattern that doesn't, you know, it's one of my favorite patterns. I play it all the time. Let me show you the one we played on AMD. This was a few Stock Sundays ago. Let's see if somebody talked about it on here, on YouTube. Yep, somebody said it. Somebody said it on YouTube. Let's see, let's get y'all active. Who said it? AMD. Who was the first one to say it though? First person to say it was this person, Venom, but also people followed up with him. Not him, Matthew said AMD, Vontae said AMD. So everybody remembers, that's what I'm talking about. So you guys know. So who remembers the last bull flag we played? It was AMD. We caught this bad boy and it went. And I caught it on Stock Sundays, everything. Like, at this point, it's just a wrap. You can't even call this scamming at this point. This is just, you know, you can't even hate on this if you wanted to. But yeah, I'm playing WBA for the same reason. We made 10,000 on the last bull flag that I caught. So let's see if we can make another 10 bands. And that was a minute ago. This account is now up 175K. So I'm up 175K in this account. In WBA, let's see if we can continue this streak. This is another one I'm watching. And I only have 2 stocks that I like. McDonald's, MCD. You could possibly play puts. I think this bad boy is coming down to this green line. It would be amazing if this thing could just gap down to this green line. It was a textbook. This was a textbook reject, by the way. We go to the daily chart. You see that? This thing was a textbook reject right here. And we also caught this bounce, one of these bounces. I think it was this bounce. But this was a textbook reject. This thing shot down and then broke this support here, didn't retest its support and fell. Hopefully this thing comes down here. I've been trying to buy. I was mad that I missed this pop because I was waiting on it to come a little bit lower. But if it still comes lower, that would be amazing. So McDonald's is another one I'm watching for either puts to support or coming lower. So that's something I'm watching for now. But those will be my top 2. Nothing really special this week. That bull flag catches my eye. And if you want, there may be something that pops up, and I'll call it in my chat, of course. And in my chat, we went crazy. I went 3 for 3 for the last 2 weeks. So I went 3 out of 3 the last 2 weeks. Well, 4 for 4. Yeah, 4 for 4. Let me make sure this thing isn't doing that. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me jump to present. All right, so we jump to present. Let me show y'all real quick. So this was the stat sheet, as you guys can see. And even ABT came back. ABT came back. So Intel is the only loss. So I'm really on like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. About a 16 trade winning streak. Intel was my April 29th was my last loss. And before that happened, we had another spreadsheet that came in. All I showed, look, I'm not bullshitting with y'all. I be getting real paper in this motherfucker. Let me show the last spreadsheet I called. I think I posted one a minute ago. Look, you see that? All the motherfuckers went. ABT was going. I don't remember the last spreadsheet. I can't remember. I posted another spreadsheet. But yeah, we're going crazy in Honey Drip. And if you're not in here, you're losing. Let's look at some of these games real quick. I always got to show y'all my this person is a profitable trader. Somebody said, finally a profitable trader. Look at the type of things that can happen when you join Honey Drip. Consistency, folks. I'm so proud of my members. Look at that. This person would for sure could survive, feed their family. I wouldn't even want to add this up, but if I had to add this week up, this would be like a $1,000 week almost. Nah, probably like a $900 week. This week right here was amazing though. This person trajectory on trading has increased. We love to see it in Honey Drip. So shout out to this individual, whoever he is. He said still learning, but best to score ever, no doubt. Of course. Nobody's better than us. And this is all from Small Account Challenge, by the way. This person account is up 116%. And what did he say? All from Small Account Challenge. So comment trial if you want me to spoon feed you the plays. You are missing out. I just showed you my spreadsheet. Think about it. Am I lying? If I was lying, then why is everybody eating with me? Every trade I call, I haven't lost a trade in a month again. 2 months, so I had about In the last 2 months, I lost 2 trades in the last 2 months out of like, so I went like 28 for 30, something like that. Yeah, like 28 for 30. Cause this ABT came back. This ABT just came back. So look, ABT, this was Friday, I told everybody. ABT ended up coming back. And we called it on Stock Sundays. That's why swinging is important. Look at that shit. One day could, and I was mad because I took profits right here and it kept going. But all it takes is one great day. So you could be down 8 days and one great day can make you go crazy. Comment trial if you're on Instagram Live, if you're on YouTube Live. Click the link in the description or I'll pin the link in the comments. But yeah, we don't play, man. I love to see the gains that my people make. Somebody else made astronomical gains. This person is from Canada. This Canadian person is up 20%. Look, ABT came back. See? ABT came back. This person is up 94% in a month. I am changing people's trajectory. People are asking me, Aristotle, how long does it take for me to become profitable? How long, blah, blah, blah. So look, this is a woman. Her name is Tony Rich. She is a trial, well, she's a premium member now, so she pays monthly. She pays $125 a month. This woman pays $125 a month. Look how much money she made. So everybody asking me, what's my ROI? What's this? What's that? This is somebody paying $125 a month. See that? Let's see what subscription this person pays. Who account is up 117% in a month. This person pays, hold up, let me see if I can bring there. I don't know why it's loading. YouTube loading. YouTube hating. I'm pretty sure they're a trial member or something. They don't like to see us winning. See that? Discord said, not on my watch. Not on my watch, but yeah, who cares? So yeah, tap in. We can also ask me some questions. Ask me some questions, folks. Somebody said, love the small account challenge. Yeah, here we go, folks. They're trying to play. Let's get it with the Wi-Fi. Who did this person? Let me see who else. I knew it was some more games. This person said, my week, 3 days trading. That's nice. You could just go through the games and everything. You're going to see everybody making money. That's all I got to say. I don't even need to prove more. Shout out to whoever this is. Amira Abdul says she loves the small account challenge. We love to have you on the team. So I already kind of said what stocks I'm watching. Let's ask some questions. Look, this person said, Love Tia says, no L's from you or Mike the last month. Rav killed AMD, felony caught some crazy plays, so did Brett. May was a good month, and last week was perfect to start the month. That's what I'm talking about, sis. I love to see it. I mean, the amount of testimonials I have, the government couldn't even lock me up. I'm like Dr. Sebi. It'll be 1,000 people coming up like, yeah, he cured me. I'm sorry to tell y'all, but this shit works. Look at this. This person said made $5,500 on DraftKings play. That's what's up, my brother. Matthew. Love it. So what kind of questions do you guys have? Do you believe in MU? Their stats aren't the best. I would have to do more research, of course. If you're working with small money, small account challenge is money, don't recommend day trading till 10K though. So even this person is saying, if you got a little bit of money, you don't got a lot of money, comment trial or tap in. Somebody said, no cap, you damn near LeBron. Might be Jordan. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm 6 for 6 in the finals. You know, I love LeBron, but I'm more kind of Jordan-like. Took 3,400 to 7,200 in 4 days with Honey Drip. That's dope. Shout out to Dylan. I made 400 on McDonald's watch list that you post. 100%. Do we got any? Let's see, do we got, somebody said it's like paid training. Yeah, it is. Can't wait for Monday to get that money with you, King. Oh yeah, you already know, Shanika. Shout out to Shanika. That's good to see all the black sisters in here tapping in, spending money with me. That's dope. And they say we don't support each other, but look at all these beautiful black people. And then they say whites don't mess with. Look at all these beautiful whites, Asians, Hispanics, everybody in here. Everybody state your nationality real quick. I want to see how diverse we are right now. Don't be ashamed, whatever you are. I fuck with everybody. I just want to see how diverse this group is. So Cal said, I took 7K to 32K in less than 2 weeks. That's what's up. That's hard. You gave me my first $400 day. I love to see it. I love to see it. Which contract you looking at on WBA? You gotta join Honey Drip. Yeah, get the lights up, everybody. Tap in. Tap the like button. Everybody tap the like button. Somebody said white, Belize, Native American, okay, black, Cuban, mixed, Hispanic, Dominican, a mutt. We all are black and white. Okay, Haitian, Jamaican, Mexican, Cuban. Shout out to everybody. Mexico, Moore. Shout out to you. St. Lucian, Italian, Philippine, Nigerian, African, Ghanaian. Okay. I love it. Puerto Rican. I'm loving it, folks. Arab, Haiti, okay, Nigerian, Asian. We can all learn from each other. I love it. I love it. Black, I made 1,000 with you. I'm locked in. That's what's up. Think about it, folks. All these folks made some money. Australian. That's what's up. So if y'all got any questions, Egyptian, Liberian, Jamaican, okay. I love it. Indian. Let's get it. Shout out to everybody. God, we all bleed the same color. Fuck all the bullshit. The money, hey, look, the color we chasing right now is green. Can't we all agree on that? No matter what religion, no matter what race, no matter what ethnicity, no matter where we from, what is the main goal, everybody? It's goddamn green. Them green numbers on that stock market account. You get what I'm saying? That's the goal, no matter what. All right, so that's one thing we all gonna agree on, no matter what our background's about. So comment some questions so I can answer some questions. Just sign up. Somebody said, just signed up. See you tomorrow. Scott Benjamin. That's what's up. Scott Benjamin said, fuck all the bullshit. I'm trying to get me some money. Shout out to Scott Benjamin. Anybody else signing up today? Drop a me if you signing up today and you want to be a part of this community. All right. You're a good man. Thanks. 100. Drop a me if you signing up today. All right. And you coming in the honey drill. We want to welcome the new members. Also, who's new? Comment new if you're new to watching Stock Sunday. This is your first day. We want to welcome all the new people, just like the church. You know what I'm saying? I gotta take some pointers from the Mr. Preacher Man. Who's new? We gotta sign you up for a membership. You got your front row. We got your free baptism, all that. Yeah, all right. So somebody said me. Jalen Smith said me. She signed up today. A lot of people said new. Okay. I love it. All right. New. Okay, new. I love it. New. Shout out to everybody who's coming in new. All right. Where my OGs at? Comment OG. If you a Stock Sunday, if you a frequent Stock Sunday person, comment OG. Like you done been to like 10 plus 10. Where my OGs at? Where we at? And keep it 1,000. You ain't gotta lie. Me, okay, new. Signed up 2 weeks ago. Took my account from $1,500 to $5,300, bruh. Fire. That what's up. Let's get it. All right, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at all these testimonials. I be forgetting to get my Stock Sunday testimonials. OG, okay, we got some OGs in here. Look at all these OGs, okay. We got some OGs in here. OGs, okay. I see y'all. Thank y'all so much. Thank you so much, all my people. Thank y'all so much. Without y'all, there would be no me. Every view counts. Every like counts. So thank everybody. I would appreciate it if all of you continue to like this and run the numbers up. You know what I'm saying? I like making y'all money. All I ask is to, just spread the word. You get what I'm saying? Or just leave a like in the comment. That's all I really ask in return for everybody. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want much. I don't need money from y'all. I'd rather make y'all money. Just a like and a comment and share it to the world about what I do. And that would mean the world to me. You know what I'm saying? But thank everybody. Keep asking questions though. Somebody said, I'm going to rejoin. Okay, tap in. I'm new to Discord. Do we just run the plays that are dropped in the chat? Yes, but let me show you what to do. For everybody who's signing up today and want to get this money, this is what y'all do. Once y'all join the Discord, all right, everybody pay attention. It's all you got to do. This for all the new people who like, man, sign me up, but I'm scared. Like, this shit might not be for me. I know everybody else made money, but it's for everybody. I'm going to show you how. This is why it's for everybody. Everybody has the ability to go right here to the read first and follow my 6 steps. I got you a 6-step process. Go to the read first, follow the 6 steps. Yes, it's for you. No, you are not dumb. No, it's not too late. No, you are not somebody who is incapable of learning. I just showed you numerous people from different backgrounds. You have a brain, 2 eyes, ears, just like us. You bleed the same color as me. Your brain works just like mine does. Your brain works just like everybody else does. Somebody said, R is so rich. Look at that phone. Oh, yeah. I don't care no more, man. I ain't got no ego to prove. But, yeah, man. Yes, this is for you. If you're new and you're wondering, is it possible for you to learn? Listen to me. Yes. Yes, it is. All right. So, everybody come into the chat. Go to the read first. And it'll all work out. I promise you. Follow those 6 steps. Click the link in the description if you're on YouTube Live. Comment trial, and I'll send you the DM if you're on IG Live. Let's answer some questions, though. I'm here for y'all. What do you think about GME? I think, all right, here's my perspective. The news is intriguing, right? The news about the stock, the storyline building up to GME, dude has millions in this, so I personally invested like $2,000. Play what you're willing to lose. If you got $50 and you trying to turn it into $400, then maybe, but make sure it's a $50 you was gonna fuck up anyways. You was gonna go to the club. So my fuck up money is $2,000. If I go to a club and bring all my people, sitting down plus the bottles and everything, probably about $2,000. Now that's just on the minimum tip. So, I spent fuck up money on GME, and that's what I recommend you guys do too. All right? Do not put your faith and hope and dreams and aspirations into it. Play what you're willing to lose when it comes to things that are out of your control. GME is a very unprofitable company. In fact, let me show you guys so you won't be confused. All right, so let's look at why GME is a bad investment as far as like realistically. If we go to Yahoo Finance and we go to the actual balance sheet of GME, all right, so we type in GME, I promise you this shit isn't gonna look good. There's no way people are walking into GameStop and buying this shit. So, especially now that games are downloaded, it is a wrap for this company. Who knows? I could be staying corrected. Oh, wow. GME had a profitable year. Well, so far, trailing 12 months. Damn, they're broke. Because if we add 3 zeros to this, well, that's not really that broke. They made $6,700,000 this year. So they're not actually doing the worst, but they They, continuously losing now. I need to figure out how the hell did they have a profitable quarter. Let's go to their quarterly balance sheet. They actually doing good, trailing 12 months. This one quarter, the last quarter, yeah, they made 63 million. It doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. We add 3 zeros to this, that's 63 million. Yeah, I'm not getting why or how this company, this shit place, made this much money, but we're going to figure out why. I'll have to do some research. But who knows? That's not a bad sign for a shit company like this. We're supposed to go bankrupt. But look at this, man. Like, it could work, it could not. Depends on how you want to play it. But bruh said if it gets to $85, he said if it gets here, he'll be a billionaire. So I'm not gonna lie to you. Hearing some shit like that, I'm like, you know what? Let me at least put in 2,000. Goddamn, that boy said if this shit get here, do y'all know what he just said? This man said if this shit gets here, he's a billionaire. That's pretty close. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know what's going on, but I just put in some throwaway money into that. Yeah, I'm like, damn. When he said that, I wasn't even gonna fuck with it until he said that. He was like, if it gets to that line, I'm a billionaire. No, it was 65? It was $65. Oh. Okay, that's even worse. Not 85, 65. That was somebody said. Okay, it was $65. That's even worse. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and throw in a little bit of money. Goddamn. Let me just get like 10,000 out this shit, homeboy. That one I'm on. I was like, you know what? Cool, I got you. The owner sold a lot of stock when it went up when Roaring Kitty bought that option contract in stocks. I don't know what they gonna do. They said they don't want him in the elite. I need to figure out how this nigga get. If I had 100 million, do you know what type of, this shit gotta be fake. Cause I'm telling you right now, I could be worth, I just think, bro, like a spokesperson for some weird ass news. Cause I'm telling y'all the truth, folks. If I got 100 M's, I promise you it ain't going into some bullshit. And I ain't telling the world. You know what I'm saying? So that's just me. From what I heard, bro, like down 300 M's, something like that. I'm like, bro, you tripping. If I had 300 M's, that's how you know, like, now that's called, sorry, I love my white people, but that's called white folk shit. Like, black man don't, bro, we don't make 100 M's to do some shit like that, right? Like, bro, we worked our whole life for that money. Like, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm worried about. Like, who is this guy? How the fuck did he get that type of money? And why the fuck will he spend that type of money on a joke? Like, how do you get the privilege to spend 100 M's on a joke? You get what I'm saying? So that's my whole thesis too with GME. Like, damn, the privilege. Man, I love my white people. That's some privileged shit, man. Anyway, this man went 100 M's deep in a joke. Wish I had that type of. Any more questions? My homeboy turned me on to you. Today is my first day watching Arkansas. Appreciate that. Who is he? Roaring Kitty. That's crazy. I like cats though. Cats are my favorite pet. Bro, can you talk about working around the PDT rule? Yes. What you need to do is you need to have a cash account. Where's this person who said that? Dang, these questions lighten up the chat. I'll find it. Here we go. Bro, can you talk about how to work around the PDT rule? I found one with Charles Schwab. Cash accounts. As simple as that. Whatever you put in is how much you put out. is how much you can invest that day when the cash is settled. So let's just say you have $2,500. You can make 25 $100 trades. You can make five $500 trades. You can make 100 $25 trades. You get what I'm trying to say. You can make a bunch of $50 trades, if that makes sense. But you can only play what you put in, if that makes sense. So cash accounts is how you get over that hump. What's your take on averaging into a play you're down on? So I believe you should get in thirds. So or twos, meaning you should either go half size or a third size your first entry. So I'm skilled enough to play in twos, but when you're a beginner, try thirds. So what does that mean? If my full size is $1,000, correct? So my full size is 1,000. I'm going 300 here, 300 here, and my last 300 here. So you need to scale in as it goes down. You need to have a scale in. You need to what is called size in. So that's what I do. I size in. But some things I'm just good at. I play in twos because I know how to. Once you get experience, it'll cut down to twos. So me, I go half size. I really go about 70% in, and then I go my last 30% I add at the bottom. So I got like a weird strategy with me. I put in 70% of so let's just say my full size is 15K. I'm going in 10K off the rip. And then my last 5K that's what I do. I play 15K position sizes. 10K first entry, 5K add entry. So that's what I do. So you need to figure out what is your initial entry and what is your add-on to mitigate those losses if it comes down, and you can start there, if that makes sense. All right. All right. What else are y'all on? Why are crypto payments not allowed in Honey Drip? I mean, I'll accept crypto. I ain't gonna lie, I will. I'll accept crypto. It just crypto isn't something that I feel like I could structure a business around. Telling people to buy the dip of one stock does not benefit me long term, because once they figure it out, they figured it out. Versus the options aren't something anybody could just figure out. So I chose a lane of, I chose this lane. But yeah, I don't care. It's money is money. I personally would. If I could figure out how to, I would. But, hey. Anybody trying to join, download Discord via phone or PC, you can join through his link in description. I appreciate that, Flacco. Shout out to everybody who rock with my brand. That means a lot. I really, I can't thank you guys enough. Every time I get on here, I'm grateful. We got 1,400 people watching. Well, right now we got about 1,800 people watching worldwide from around the world. And by the way, folks, I decided I'm going to live a nomadic life. I'm going to hit up Vancouver after this, then I'm going to Tokyo, then I might hit up Thailand, because South Korea seems too American. I need a little escape. So I might go to Thailand, and then I might go to, I'm going to Thailand, and that's what I'm doing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to South Korea, and I'm going to tiptoe the North Korean border. I just want to put my foot in North Korea and then run. You get what I'm saying? So I I think I'm fast enough. I don't think they'll catch me. So I'm just gonna put my foot in North Korea then run. And I feel like I won in life. All right. Right, baby? My wife said, good luck. Don't do it? All right, cool. Don't do it. All right. Vancouver, yeah, I'm going to Vancouver for sure. Somebody said, don't risk it. They said, don't do it, bro. You can do it now. You're out the Army. Shit, I'm about to try that shit. All right. Eric Evans said, don't do it. But anyways, y'all have a good day. It's your boy Aristotle Investments. Tap in, everybody. I love y'all so much. God bless y'all. See y'all next week.